Are you ready for this?
I'm scared.
Just stay close to me.
At long last, my guests have arrived. Please, come in. Such determination to get here. Looks like we share other qualities besides that of our color.
No. I'm nothing like you.
Not to mention you, Raider.
I work for a better cause now.
Well, the cause won't be worth it much longer. Any second now, that destroyer will dive into the volcano of death and destroy the world. But for now, prepare to die. Blah.
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 It has begun.
Oh no, we're too late.
Welcome to the end of the world. Ha 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 ha. You can't defeat me. I am eternal.
We're still too late.
I know what I need to do. Just get out of here.
Spyro, no, you don't need to do any. Let's just go.
What, Cynder? There'll be nothing. The world is breaking apart. But I think I can stop it. I think I'm meant to.
Then, I'm with you. I love you.